Good morning, Year 8, and welcome to the virtual assembly. Now, I first want to start off by saying I hope you're staying safe. My second point is I hope you're doing your work. Now, this is for your benefit to help you with your learning. It is not an excuse for you not to do work. You should be completing and submitting your work to your teachers via Edulink or Microsoft Teams. Sorry, I'm busy working, just like you guys have been, and just like my kids have been, but my kids are currently doing a little bit of therapeutic painting for VE Day. We're currently doing some bunting for to put outside our house. We're still being part of the community, even with social distancing. I know it can be tough at times, but we're going to be celebrating VE Day with our neighbours, and to de-stress and take a break from work, we've been doing some drawing and some painting. So that's a good way of taking time out. One way to stop cabin fever and getting too stressed indoors is to get out and have a walk. As you can see, I'm out on my daily walk now. I've got my dog there, my family in front. We're just out doing a scavenger hunt and getting out of the house, unwinding, de-stressing. It's not all about completing work. You need to look after yourself. You need to look after your mental health. You need to make sure that you are not stuck indoors. And if you're lucky enough and you've got a pet and you've got a family that are willing to, get outside, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the countryside, the fresh air. It's good for you. If you don't get the opportunity to go out for a walk, maybe you haven't got a pet or family don't want to go out for a walk, then another good way to deal with the stress is to exercise. Now, I'm currently on my warm-up for my daily exercise, but it doesn't necessarily have to be outside. It doesn't have to be a run, it doesn't have to be a bike ride. You could do, there's loads and loads of personal trainers that are doing lots of Instagram, YouTube type videos. Okay, Joe Wicks at 9 o'clock in the morning every morning. Perfect opportunity for you to get up, get energized. And exercise is a great way to deal with stresses, especially when we're in lockdown. So get out, do exercise. If you can't get out, do exercise indoors. It's the best way to beat lockdown blues. Just one last thing from me, Castleview. Miss Mole Queen gave me a lovely quote yesterday, that we're all in the same storm but not in the same boat, and I've taken that to mean that we're all in the same situation with lockdown, but we all deal with it in different ways. So if you're fine, that's brilliant. If you're struggling, that's fine as well. You just need to find ways of coping and dealing and de-stressing. That's what I took from that quote. So thank you for joining me for the virtual assembly. Remember, stay safe, do your work, but don't stress about it. Your mental well-being is the most important thing. Don't get too stressed, don't get too anxious. If you need to message someone, message your tutors, message your teachers on Microsoft Teams. Just make sure you're looking after yourself, Year 8. Thank you.